Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make bagels. First, gather your ingredients: 500 grams of high-protein bread flour, 10 grams of active dry yeast, 10 grams of salt, 300 milliliters of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of barley malt syrup. Combine the dry ingredients, then add the water and malt. Knead the dough for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Cover it and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen, gently punch it down and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 100 grams. Roll each piece into a tight ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center. Gently stretch the hole to create an opening about 1.5 inches wide. Place your shaped bagels on a lightly floured surface or parchment paper, cover them, and let them proof for another 20 minutes. Now for the crucial boiling step that gives bagels their signature chewiness. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of barley malt syrup to the water. This enhances flavor and crust. Carefully drop 2 or 3 bagels into the boiling water, ensuring they don't overcrowd the pot. Boil each bagel for 60 seconds on one side, then flip it and boil for another 60 seconds. Remove them with a slotted spoon, letting excess water drain. Finally, it's time to bake your delicious bagels. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the boiled bagels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each. This is the perfect time to add your favorite toppings, like sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or everything bagel seasoning. Bake them for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and have a firm, chewy crust. Enjoy your homemade bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.